Welcome students, standard 8th Sanskrit is on page number 4. See, one Sanskrit song is given here. Gayata Nandata means sing and enjoy. Hasta Kutumbam means the family of hand. See, this is our hand. Total 5 fingers are there. Just imagine it is a family. So in this family, who is elder, who is younger, we will understand when we will read this song. Okay, so very first I am reading the song. See here, number 1. Eshaha snehaluhu tataha. Tata means father. Asya naam khalu Angushtaha. Angushta means thumb. See, the senior member in this family. Nikate nivasati nanu mata. This is father, this is mother. Naam tarjani tasyaha. So in Marathi or in Sanskrit, which names are given to these fingers, those names are available, or by which name we call these fingers. Maybe you are knowing in Marathi which names, by which name we call this. In Marathi, angtha we say, no? So in Sanskrit, angushtaha. Then this is index finger, na? Tarjani. It is. This is father, this is mother. Jeshtha putri. Putri means daughter. Elder, daughter. Eldest we can say. Dirghatama. Dirghatama, why? Because the length of this finger is more. So this finger is called Jeshtha putri. Eldest daughter. Name, middle finger, madhyama, nama madhyama, tasyaha. Then tasyaha bhagini manorama, her sister, beautiful sister. Asti nanusa anamika, ring finger. At the time of wedding, generally in this finger only, no, we put the ring. So anamika. Ante bhavati kanishta bala. Kanishta kanya, jeshta kanya. This is jeshta kanya. This is kanishta kanya. Youngest daughter. Okay. Tasyaha nama kanishthika. In Sanskrit, name is Kanishthika. And hasta dvayena pranamami ashirvadam vendami. When we join both the hands, or by joining both the hands, we salute, pranam. And ashirvadam vendami. And when we keep our hand like this, then with the help of this, or with the help of this expression, we give or we offer our blessings. Okay. See, family of our hand, total 5 members are there. This is father. Eshaha snehaluhu tataha. Eshaha, this, etat, determiner. I told you, no? Tad means that. Etad means this. So eshaha pullingam. Eshaha etau ete. This is father. Snehaluhu. Snehalu means kind, generous. This father is kind and generous. Asya naam khalu. Khalu means indeed. Naam means name. And name of this father is Angushtaha, thumb. Nikate, nearby. Nivasati, ni plus vas means to live. See, titaha anti, ending C. So type of the verb also you can understand with the help of this ending. Parasmay padinaha, titaha anti. Lakar also you can understand here. Mi vaha maha, si tha ti taha anti. So it is lat lakaraha. And purush and vachanam. Mi vaha maha उत्तमः पुरुषः सीथः थ मध्यमः पुरुषः and तीतः अन्ति प्रथमः पुरुषः. So प्रथमः पुरुषः एकवचनम. This is means lives we can say or stays nearby. Who? Mata, mother is nearby. Naam tarjani tasyaha. And this is index finger and mother. Okay, mother of these three daughters. Okay, Naam Tarjani Tasyaha. And in Sanskrit, index finger means Tarjani. Then Jeshtha Putri. Three daughters are there. This is eldest daughter. Even length of this finger is more. Middle finger it is. Naam Madhyama Tasyaha. Dirghatama means you understood, no? Dirgha means long we can say. Because length is more. Tasyaha Bhagini. Her sister. Manorama. Beautiful. Okay. Asti Nanusa Anamika. And this beautiful sister, name of this beautiful sister is Anamika. She is Anamika. See, asti, us to be form. Am, is, are, was, were, be, being, been. English to be forms knowing na. And lat lakar, see, ti. So lat lakar, so am, is, are. These only to be forms we are using in present tense. Here, this is Prathamaha Purushaha, na? So, I am, we are, you are, you are. He, she, it is sa, she is. He, she, it is. So, she is. Understood, no? Anamika. Anamika, name of this finger in Sanskrit. Generally wedding ring we put in this finger. Ante bhavati, and finally this is youngest daughter. Kanishta kanya, Kanishta bala. Tasyaha nama Kanishtika. In Sanskrit this little finger is called Kanishtika. And hastadvayena pranamami. See, when we join both the hands, or by joining both the hands we salute somebody. And by keeping, when we keep our hand like this, then we offer our blessings. Ashirvadam Vindami. Okay. So I think Hasta Kutumbam you understood. You don't have to learn this, just for the language study this Sanskrit song is given. So very well see the AV to understand this topic. Okay, remaining topics in other AVs. Okay, bye.